So this entryway has been something that I have wanted to transform for the longest time. Every time I walk in this hallway, I'm like, I need to do something here. So this is actually a hallway, but it's still considered the entryway. And so I've always wanted to put something really nice here, and I thought about it. A lot of you might know that I have a more neutral color going on in my house, but my accent color is actually black. So I was looking for something that really would combine the two style, the neutral and the black. And I found the perfect pieces at Home Goods. And I also went on to Amazon and found these beautiful picture lights that I've already used before, but I decided to get it in black this time to match the picture frame, okay? So that's what I'm gonna be putting up today. This is gonna be a quick and easy project, and you're gonna get to see exactly how simple it is for you to change your entryway, okay? So let's get started. So again, this is what this area looks like, and this is where we're gonna be working for today's project. These are my cute picture frames. They have the whites, they have the neutrals, and they also have the black trim and the black inside as well. And I love the pictures themselves because it's not really a picture, it's not flowers, it's just little shapes stacked on top of each other. So it's very modern, and it's very in right now. So, y'all know that your girl is Mrs. Handy Girl. I have been doing a lot of handy stuff around my house. I've been doing a lot of DIY. I have a really big space. And if I were to pay someone to do every single thing, oh my goodness, I would go broke, like literally go broke. So I have decided I'm going to learn a lot about this stuff, especially because I'm also into real estate and home flipping. I have learned a lot from my contractors, just simple things to do around the house. So I have also learned some quick tips and tricks on how to hang up things like pictures and art and things of that nature. So it has become really easy for me. So this is my handy dandy tool bag. I have all of the little essentials that I need to do my little house project. The first most important thing I have in this bag is my measuring tape. So what I do is I just go ahead and turn my art over and measure the length between where the hooks are. Okay, so I measure that and I keep it distended. I keep the tape distended, and that's how I'm going to measure the wall as well. The tip or trick that I use is the art or picture should be at eye level. I should be able to see it. It shouldn't be all the way up to where it's too tall for me to see it eye to eye. So it should be at eye level. So what I do is I have my little crayon. I do go ahead and mark the spots that I feel like I want to put my art. And I'm not going to use a power drill because I don't have one at the moment. I mean, I have one, but it broke. And I haven't had the time to go and get it fixed or get a new one. So I just use my screwdriver and a hammer. All right, family, look at that. That is so perfect. I'm so proud of myself. The spot is so spot on. And you'll see the little plates on top there. That is where I'm going to be putting my picture lights. And speaking of picture lights, these are my picture lights. I got them from Amazon. I'll try to link them down below. I don't think they were that expensive. They did come separately, so it's not a pair. I actually bought them separately. I knew that I was going to need two, so I got two. Okay, these lights are amazing because they're actually rechargeable. They also have 3 different settings. So the lights come with a remote control. They come with a charging cord, and they also come with very simple tools and instructions to mount them. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. These lights you can charge on your computer. You can have a charger block and just put the cord in, and you can also you can charge it anywhere that is compatible with the charging cord. Okay, so this is the little plate I was telling you about. This plate is very handy and it's very easy to use. So again, you do have to put some nails in the wall by mounting the plate. With the plate, you can just slide the light onto the plate to mount it, and then you can also unslide it or take it off, take it off the hook to charge it. And it's really easy to do. You'll see me do it here. And while I do this, I wanted to tell you all the great thing about the light and the remote that it comes with. I realized that one remote can work with all of the lights in your house. Even if you order it from different companies, or even if the lights didn't come together. Like, I got 2 of them. Like I said, it wasn't a pair, but I realized that the remote actually works with both. And then I also have a picture light on top of my gold mirror on the other side of the wall. The remote actually also works with that as well, and I'll be showing you that there. So it has an on and off button. So when you go to mount it, when the light is already charged, all you have to do is put the actual button on, like flip it to the on side and then mount it. And then you'll be able to use the remote control to turn it on and off. Okay, so let's go ahead and mount our lights. All right, here we go. And look how nice this looks, y'all. It is so nice. The pictures by themselves were already nice, but the picture lights give it that high-end, really beautiful look, and it looks really nice at night when it's on. Okay, so you can put your family portrait, you can put a piece of artwork, you can put whatever you want here, and just add the picture light to it, and oh my god, it just makes it look so amazing. So this is the remote. As I said, the remote actually works with both the light and also the third light on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that works. But first, before I do that, let me go ahead and clean my mirror and also clean my picture frames because they have glass on them. I like the glass picture frames because I feel like it has a more high-end look, even though it wasn't that expensive at Home Goods. So anyway, I am just cleaning it here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my mirror. And family, this is what the light looks like during the daytime. It is so nice, y'all. It's so beautiful. When you walk in here, it kind of looks like a museum almost. Mercy Gono's little museum in her own house. But yeah, family, it's so really nice. So this is how you charge your light. So you use the cord, plug it in, and you can charge it for as long as you want. And once you charge it, you'll be able to use it for a while, and then it's going to go dead. And then again, you can just take it off the mount and go charge it. So the only thing that is actually going to be mounted to the wall is the little plate, but the picture light itself is not mounted. Okay, so again, these are from different companies, and this is the remote, and you'll see that the remote is going to work with all 3 of them. And I also have some on the very top of my staircase, and I have some of the lights in my office, and the remote turns them all on. Now you can program it so it doesn't work that way, but I like it when it works that way because I only have to make one trip as far as turning on the lights. So family, this is what my lights look like. I really like it, y'all. It's so cute. And let me go ahead and show you a clip of what it looks like. It is morning time. It is not night. It's very early in the morning here. The daylight is coming out. So you can see some daylight through the window. I think you can see the sun through that, the mirror through the window there. So it's not completely nighttime, but I'm just gonna show you what the light looks like. And again, it has different settings. and you can use your remote to put it on. You can set a timer for how long you want it to be on, and it's just so fun, y'all. So this is my little hallway slash entryway decor. I'm gonna do the actual entryway. I actually did a video in the past, but I don't think I posted it on YouTube. So I'm gonna do an actual video for YouTube. So make sure to look out for that. All right, family? Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one.